What do you do for a living?
I'm a fashion model and investor.
BA LLB honors.
I'm an art dealer.
Wow, and
Our
you?
main part is we have to ensure the corporate governance of the company.
And what's the salary range like for freshers? Fashion models कितना earn कर लेते हैं? So please can you describe a little more about it? नमस्ते दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हौज़ खास अपने कल्चर, फूड और नाइट लाइफ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जाना जाता है। अधिकतर दिल्ली के लोग घूमने के लिए हौज़ खास ही जाते हैं क्योंकि ये उनका फेवरेट हैंग आउट स्पॉट है। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हौज़ खास जाके वहाँ के लोगों से पूछें व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर अ लिविंग। आपको क्या लगता है हौज़ खास जो आते हैं व्हाट डू दे डू फॉर अ लिविंग? So come on, let's have a look. Okay, so what do you do for a living?
I am a company secretary by profession.
I am also a company secretary.
Fame. We met.
Basically, we all are company secretary.
So we met at a mandatory training that we have to do. So all of us are company secretary. All of us are working in a corporate job.
9 to 5.
9 to 5.
I'm a fashion model and investor, so that's why I have that much fashion sense that you are liking my outfit.
So you're a fashion model.
Yeah.
So I work in a consultancy firm called Carne. Yeah, it is one of the top 5 consulting firms in India, like McKinsey, Bain, etc. So I am a junior ops analyst right now.
We are students.
You're a student.
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying BCom honors.
BCom honors. And what about you also? From oh my god.
I am a student.
What are you studying?
BA LLB honors.
From?
NLU Sonipat, National Law University.
Oh, और इसके बाद क्या क्या career options हैं?
There are many career options. I could go into civil law or criminal law, or I could go into corporate. There are many options.
I am a social media manager right now.
You are?
Social media manager.
Okay.
It's a very new to in this field, and I do personal branding for peoples. I am a LinkedIn marketer. I do LinkedIn optimization, social media. I basically make brands for people, and I help them to make their own identity and make their digital presence more enhanced.
I'm working as a HR professional with a recruitment firm.
I'm an art dealer. I sell paintings. Earlier I had a gallery named Krishna's Collection Art Gallery. But now I'm doing it independently. I don't have the gallery. So I buy and sell, and sometimes I get it from the artist, and then I get the commission and I sell.
Students.
Yes. What are you studying?
I'm studying BS Medical Laboratory Science.
Wow, and you?
I'm medical, like normal MBBS.
कितनी percentage चाहिए BCom करने के लिए हिंदू से?
CUET का स्कोर अच्छा होना चाहिए. परसेंटेज के अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं होता.
740 plus. Wow. And what's the best part about BCom? All right, okay.
में इंटरेस्ट है तो वो अच्छा है.
अच्छा, और BCom के बाद potential careers क्या क्या हैं?
पोटेंशियल करियर्स वेल बीकॉम का बाद कोर्स तो MBA, उसके बाद MPA, MCom. हाँ जी.
What's the best part about your job?
About our job you are asking, or about the profession we are doing?
About CS, the job that you're doing.
Okay, so basically what we handle is the compliance of all, the company. So the company stands on our we are this governance, correct.
The main part is we have to ensure the corporate governance of the company and that it's compliant. And how the government is also pushing our profession. So that is something that is very good to see only. How Modi ji and SEBI chief is promoting our profession, and we are very proud to be a company secretary.
एंड कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं जो CS की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, कितना मिल जाएगा फ्रेशर्स को? एक रेंज बताओ.
I think it would start from 6 to 9.
6 to 9.
Yeah, you can
Oh.
It is like we are the ones who decide the market rate,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So currently, the people are not offering much. As I experience, the people are not offering much to company secretaries, but I think the CS should deserve a range between 7 to 9 lakh.
And what's the salary range like for freshers?
इसका आइडिया नहीं है मेरे को.
कुछ रफ आइडिया भी नहीं है.
I think 1.25 if you get into a good firm.
1.25 crores
Lakhs per month.
per month.
Okay, cool. You could get that.
फैशन मॉडल्स कितना अर्न कर लेते हैं?
इट डिपेंड्स कि आप कैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो, आप कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो मंथली. लाइक आई डू वेरी लेस प्रोजेक्ट्स बट आई चूज़ क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स in which I get good payment. So I can say that a fashion model who is like doing a good medium range of projects like 5 to 10 in months, then he or she can easily earn 50 to 60k basic.
50 to 60k
Yeah,
monthly.
Monthly, yeah.
Someone who wants to get into this field, how much can they expect? How much money they can make in a year?
I mean, it depends on the education or the years of experience rather, but I think it gives you a fair amount, like a decent. Yeah.
And what about you, sir?
I run my own startup.
Oh, nice. Would you like to talk about your startup?
It's a software solution for people management. That's what we do.
Oh, nice. And again, same question. How much can one make?
It's not as straightforward an answer as that, but in the startup world, the more you do, the world is your oyster. You can make lots of money even as a fresher. So age and qualification is not a criteria in that sense. The harder you work, the more you get.
True that. तो आपने कहाँ काम किया?
मैंने मोस्टली लाइफस्टाइल ब्रांड्स के साथ काम किया, जैसे वी मार्ट, सिटी कार्ट एंड काफ़ी सारे जैसे डिजिटल एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी किए हैं मैंने. जैसे मैंने हीरो के साथ भी काम किया है, हीरो इंडिया, हीरो इलेक्ट्रिक के लिए. एंड बस काफ़ी काम किया मैंने. मिंत्रा के लिए भी किया. ई कॉमर्स शूट्स जो होते हैं, आप जो मिंत्रा पे देखते हैं मॉडल्स, आप मुझे वहाँ भी देख सकते हैं.
So please can you describe a little more about how does art dealing as a career look like?
Like I was artist myself actually.
Oh wow.
So when my husband is from army, so I told him I want to choose the career. So and I told him I can only be in art field or any creative field. So that is how I started the art gallery. For last 25 years.
25 years?
Yeah.
Is it in Hoskas?
Earlier it was in Hoskas, then Defense Colony, Lado Sarai. पहले तो मैं like I used to sell young artists. They used to come to me. They used to take paintings from them and hang it in the gallery and then sell. So they all very, very creative people, very creative and very sentimental type of people. And I used to feel bad that I couldn't give them what they deserve. It depends on the clients, what they want. And the prices they used to give very little prices, which is not fair because they don't recognize the art.
Fashion model कैसे बना जाए?
First of all, you have to find in yourself that you have that thing in you that you can be a model or not. Mentally, physically, you have to prepare yourself on parameters. You have to fix yourself that in mind that you can be a model. You have to must have dedication for that, and also you have work on yourself on physically also.
Right. Your physique needs to be.
Yeah, you should be in a good shape, and you should be if you want to do fashion modeling, then you must have a good height.
True that. That's
like
very
in
important.
girls you must have 5'7" or 5'8" minimum, and in boys you should have 5'11", I guess. 5'11" to 6'2" is a good height in India.
Junior ops operations analyst. So how can one become junior ops?
Okay, so becoming a junior ops is quite simple because you just have to get your bachelor's degree done right. So I did my bachelor's degree from Delhi University, but apart from that I did another add-on course of marketing. So I am a junior ops analyst in the marketing department itself. And from the initial start itself, I used to do a lot of internships, like some government internships in the same field itself. So getting a graduation degree is important, but also some internships would be an add-on to that.
Right. And what's the salary range like?
Okay.
Not yours, but in general of junior ops.
Okay, so usually the junior ops salary range from somewhat around 6 LPA to it can go around as per your skill set. So it can go around to 15, 20, yeah. But the starting range could be easily around 6 to 7 lakh per annum.
Okay.
That is a usual range.
That's अच्छी range है काफ़ी. And what about you, sir? What do you do for a living?
Hi, this is Kunal.
What do you think about Indians and their interest in art? Because outside it's very it's quite popular.
Even now, it's very popular. Now we have auction houses, Saffron Art and Astha Guru. They promote young artists as well as the masters.
What's the best part about your career, about your job?
I love meeting people, and people who buy art, they're very sensitive, and they also like art. And artists, as they are very good people, they are only they're in their own world. They're not bothered about others. So they're very, very creative and very good people.
So that's the best part, no? You get to meet one of the kinds. And someone who's looking to get into this field, what do you think? How much they can make? How much is the potential in this market?
They can take admission in art colleges, and if you're an artist, you don't have fixed income. Whether you will become big artist or not is not known. So I suggest them you should have something in, they can try digital art or anything like in computers. They can do something related to the art so that they can earn.
They can earn, right.
Side by side, and they can try their art also.
What's the best part about your job?
Is that I can scroll reel whole day and I can say कि I'm doing research.
भाई ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है.
बहुत सही है.
But are you working for a firm or something, or you have your own independent agency?
Right now I'm working with the firm called Antics. It's a startup right now, but I do have plans to do freelance and all. But let's see what happens.
And social media manager का जो salary range है वो कितना चला जाता है in general?
It truly depends कि तुम्हारे पास experience कितना है. I'm a fresher. I don't expect much also.
Still to have an idea.
It should be around, if you're working in a good firm, तो it 50-40 आराम जाएगा, आराम से बहुत.
Per month, 50-40 per month.
आराम से. It's good. And then you have more experience. तुम्हें बहुत tools की knowledge है, और अगर social media में how to use tools in social media campaigns, and then it can all increase.
तो उम्मीद करते हैं आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. बाय द वे, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाएं तो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलिएगा. गुड बाय.